Jai Hind. Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Genuine Funda. Today, I am going to discuss some important basic mathematical points like as example of terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Without actual division, find which of the following fractions are terminating decimals. A 9/25, B 7/12, C 9/50, D 19/55. Solution: a rational number is terminating if its denominator has prime factors, only 2 or 5 or both. A 9/25. The prime factors of 25 are 5, 5. It is terminating decimal because only 5 prime factor, this 5. B in 7/12. The prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. It is not terminating decimal because prime factors are 2 and 3. In 9/50, the prime factors of 50 are 2, 5 and 5. It is terminating decimal because 2 prime factors are 2 and 5. Follow these rules. In 19/55, the prime factors of 55 are 5, 11. It is not terminating decimal because prime factors are 5, 11. Some example of non-terminating recurring or periodic or circulating decimal. Example: 1/3 equal 0.33333333 and continue equal 0.3 recurring decimal. There is a repeating block of one digit in the quotient. Example: 8/15 equal 0.5333333 and continue equal 0.53 recurring decimal because there is a repeating block of 2 digits in the quotient, 2 digits. Pure recurring decimal. Example: 1/7 equal 0.142857 and continue equal 0.142857. Recurring decimal 1 and 7 because there is a repeating block of 6 digits in the quotient, 6 digits. Mixed recurring decimal. Example: 24/25 equal 0.96. Example 1/3 equal 0.333333 continue equal 0.3 recurring decimal. Example 1/11 equal 0.090909 and continue equal 0.09 recurring decimal of 0 and 9. Example 17/90 equal 0.18888888 continue equal 0.188 recurring decimal, because there is a repeating block of 2 digits in the quotient. Example 1/370 equal 0.0027027 continue equal 0.0027 0 recurring and 7 recurring, because there is a repeating block in 2 digit in the quotient. Example 34/275 equal 0.12363636 continue equal 0.1236 1 recurring and 6 recurring decimal, because there is a repeating block of 1 digits in the quotient. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to soft copy of this video, then check the description box and click the link to get PDF file. Next time I will discuss more informative mathematical video. My dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also likes, comments and share.